Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve medium question on lead code. Count days without meetings. Okay, let me read the problem statement. You are given a positive integer days representing the total number of days a employee is available for work starting from day one. You are also given 2D integer array meetings of size n where meetings of I is equals to start and end. Represent starting and ending days of the meeting. I is inclusive. Return the count of days when an employee is available for work, but no meetings are scheduled. Okay. The meetings may overlap. Okay. So let me take the first sample test case. So these are the scheduled meetings, and we have given days is equals to 10. So let's mark the dates by day wise. Let's say these are the dates. Okay, we have there is a meeting from day 5 till day 7. Then there is a meeting from day 1 to day 3. And there is a meeting from day 9 to day 10, right? Oh, these are the empty slot, day 8 and day 4. So there were 2 days of empty where there is no meeting. So the answer is 2 in this case. Okay, these meetings can overlap. That's what this point represent. In that case, it won't be the empty day. Got it? Now, the way we can do it is uh, we'll maintain a array with those many slots, like those many days, and we will update 5 to 7, like we'll mark these days with meeting, and we will traverse entire array of days, and whichever there is an empty, we'll count it. That will be the answer. But if we see the constraints, then days will be in the range of 1 to 10 power 9. So we cannot have a space for 10 power 9. So we'll have to think of better solution that requires uh, less storage. So what we can do is uh, whenever if we sort by start of the day, then this will represent something like this. If you look from left to right, it will something look like this. Now we will see if this end and if this start has some difference, which is less than, then we will include this difference. And let's say if this does not, like these two overlap, then we will take the maximum end of this one and the next one. Likewise, we will continue to do so, and we will have to handle the boundary cases because the start day can be 0 here. We'll have to, there might be no meeting at 10, maybe 9 to 9 can be them. Then this boundary cases we have to handle. Let's code this up and see how we can solve it. You will get an intuition from that code. So first we will have to start the meetings by starting day. So that will be arrays.sort. Uh, let's say we will compare both the meetings. This is a lambda function. We will compare by start of the meeting, which is meeting of 0. So this will sort the meetings array by start day. Okay. Now let's have another variable. Previous time, since we are starting from The day starts from 1. Let's assume 0 is the previous end, and we will have a count to return as an answer, like where number of empty days where there were no meeting schedule. So this is it. Now I will process each meeting. Okay. Let's take current end, current start, which is meeting of 0, and we will check with previous end less than current start. If these two are less than, then we can consider there is a empty meeting slot available. This represent. If these are equal, there is no slot. If this overlap, we cannot have a empty meeting. So since this is less than, we can have a meeting. So current start plus previous end. Whenever we are doing these kind of things, take one sample case and see. Let's say we have there is only one meeting that is 5 to 7, and the previous end is 0, and 0 to 5, how many meetings we can have? On day 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 empty days we can have. If we if you substitute these values, that is 5 minus 0, which is 5, but we need 4. So we will have to subtract one more day here. We can do by this way. And once this is done, we will have to take the maximum previous end. We will have to update the previous end. Which is meeting of 1. This can be, sometimes this previous end can be larger than this one. So in that case, we'll have to pick the max. So which is nothing but math dot max of previous end, comma, previous current me end. Now we have handled the boundary case with this starting boundary, but we are not handling the last case, which is something this one. If there, let's say there is 9 comma 9 here, we are only checking this with previous and this with previous and this with this one, but we are not handling this case. So this will be like count plus, let's say there were days minus uh previous and will give us, let's say there is 10 here, this 10 substitute here, 10 minus 9, that is 1 day there is left if this, according to this test case. So this will that. And let's try to have time and space complexity for this solution. So let's analyze time and space. We are doing array of sort. These meetings are primitive data types. So sorting on primitive data types in Java, which takes n log n, and space of log n because of the stack space in the recursive call of. And let's try to analyze this thing. We have n meetings, so this loop runs n times, and here we are doing constant operations. So this will be plus n. Overall, it will be big O of n log n, and this is also big O of log n. This is a time and space complexity of of this solution. Let's try to run the sample test case. Uh, I think we missed. Yeah. Uh, we have added one extra. This is it. Yeah. Sample test cases were passed. Let's try to submit the solution. Accepted. So if you like the solution, please like, share, and comment. And please subscribe to my channel. And please let me know what can be improved from the videos, or what the topics you want me to make videos on. Please let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.